we've got sunset day.
Hi. We are here. We're back together. The team is back together. We are at Hidden Gem.
I cheated on her this morning with someone else.
He did.
She wasn't happy about that, but we're here now.
He likes to cheat on me. It's okay. We're talking about it, but we're gonna figure this out.
We're working through it, and you know what I mean. Everyone has their ups and downs.
I forgive us.
We work through things. You know, they don't just stop at the first hurdle.
Do you forgive us? I forgive us.
I forgive us too.
Okay.
Yeah.
We're here.
Until tomorrow. But
we are here in this hidden gem in Ibiza, Spain, and we're gonna do a sunset shoot. This is gonna be even more iconic than the last one.
Iconic is the word. I'm gonna put iconic
That's my
in the
word.
title.
Hello, you not follow me.
Iconic is the title of this vlog. Iconic, the most iconic shoot I've ever done.
With the most iconic person.
Look at the view.
It's me.
Ooh, fire. Hold that. Ooh, look at the views. Hold on. Nice.
How come it's not like
What?
I thought about it?
Well, you can't hear it.
No, why can't I hear it? Wow, that's insane. That's so good. Beautiful.
Yeah. Oh yeah, that's dope. Hold that one, hold that one. Yeah, that's fire. Hold that one. Love that. Yeah, fire. That's it.
Like now?
Yeah.
Alright.
Oh, the light is nice. You get some stay there, you stay right there. Ooh, yes. Nice. Wait, reach to the camera again. Nice. Ooh, there's a sun flare. Ooh, that's the one. Nice. That's good. Fire. Nice. We'll come this way. Nice. Fire, hold that. Hold that, nice. Fire. I want some smiling at me, I need some smiles.
Smile?
Yeah.
Smile.
I only do sexy smoldering looks. See, that's European style, that's what we call it. Nice. Nice. Fire. So, let me see. Hold that, that's fire. Nice. Yeah, that's good. Fire. Nice. Fire, hold that. Nice. Is this your bikini as well? Stay there, stay right there. Nice. Fire. Wait, stay right there, stay right there. Nice. Alright, 3, 2, 1.
Oh my god, those are insane. I love this background more than I love myself, honestly. And I love myself a lot. That's insane. You're really killing it out here.
Fire.
Oh my god, those are so good. Those are different than like most of my pictures. Those are really good. Wow, that's crazy. That's crazy. Wow, I love that. That's very beautiful too.
Ooh, stay right there. Yeah, stay there. That's banging. Fire. Stay there, stay right there. Don't move. Do not move. It's illegal to move right now. Nice. Fire. Perfect. Fire. Fire. Ready? Nice. Yeah, fire. Hold that. Yeah. Fire. Nice. Let's stay there, stay there. Perfect. Yeah, fire. Yeah. Oh yeah, that's a nice light actually. Oh, this is fire. Yeah, hold that right there. Nice. Love that. Can you go tiptoes if you can? Yeah, perfect. Nice. Yeah, that's fire. Nice. Yeah. Nice. Yeah, that's lovely. Yeah, that's it. Hold that, hold that. I did tell you, but you know what I mean? No. No, you need the vibes. You can get the vibes in. Nice. Fire. Nice. I'll leave the ladder in this one. Fire. Yeah, that's it. Nice. Stay there, hold that. Nice. Nice. Fire. Love that. Go on this side. Yeah. Ooh, perfect. Yeah. Yeah, perfect. Yeah, love that. Nice. Yeah, so like sit down, cross one leg, one leg over. I'm gonna replace you, you know. I'm gonna find a new work wife. Nice. If you do some sitting up as well, that's it. So like if you sit on it and then have like your leg under through this one like that, but you're sitting down, if that makes sense. Yeah, that leg like that, and then this leg over. Yeah. Fire. Nice. What have we done so far?
Okay guys, so we have done in the water. First location, second location was on these little stair things, and then the third one was a little shower. Came out absolutely amazing, and he shot me and my friend Ariel, so he's done 2 models, and now we're going on to our next look.
I photo shoot 2 models. I haven't done anybody.
Come on.
This is a PG channel.
Come on. Woo! And that's a wrap. Amazing.
Let's end the vlog.
Oh, okay, let's go. Outro.
Alright. So boom. This is how you in London how you end the sentence, right? You go boom. Go on.
Boom. Gone. We're done.
We're done the shoot.
The mosquitoes started hitting.
Yeah, the mosquitoes are coming, so we gotta go. We gotta exit.
But it was great.
See, look, see how much buzzing by my ear.
They're going crazy. They're attacking.
Alright, guys, in the next one.
Whoa.